That is a great question. And I would say, just to kind of keep it short, developing your high notes is something you'd want to get guidance for, because you can go on YouTube, you can go online and learn as much as possible. You can absorb all this content. But for me, the one when I'm working with students, the best way to teach someone mixed voice is to get them to feel it, guide them to feel it. Because once you feel it, you never forget it. And so I would say, if high notes is what you're after, find a teacher, let them guide you, to it. However, that's probably the boring answer. And so I still want to kind of share a little exercise for you. I would say if you're trying to develop your high notes, one thing I've recently discovered is the importance of having an affect. I'd say choosing the right emotion, choosing the right expression tackles about 70% of the problems you have in singing, right? One thing that I love to do with a lot of my clients is get them to imitate Mario, because Mario does something really interesting. Because instead of saying Mamma Mia, he might do something like this. Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma. It's very exaggerated, very, very exaggerated. The reason why I want you to do that though is this affect is going to do something special for you. So for example, say if you go, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia. Well, all of a sudden, right, when I add that affect, it lets me shoot into my higher range a lot nicer. I start to feel a lot of ring going up into behind my nose, behind my forehead. I feel like there's a bit of grounding, a bit of compression or support from the body. Those kind of things happening, right? But I wasn't thinking of any of them. I was only thinking about the compression, right? Thinking about the affect. And so this is probably one of the things you want to play around with. Can you choose an affect and let that help you carry up? And the thing I want you all to keep in the back of your mind is, if you think you're sobbing enough, if you think you're sobbing, sob more. If you think you're sobbing, sob more. Because a lot of times, right, when I'm working with a client, they're like, I'm sobbing, Ivan, I'm sobbing. But they sound like this. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia. And so I think sometimes we think we are sobbing, but we're not sobbing enough. And so go very extra with it. Just almost kind of really, really feel it, right? And see if that can do the trick.